Hello, this is Angela Johnstone, Program Director with Special Education for Spokane Public Schools. And our topic is SEEdoc, the database that we use to develop our IEPs. As you recall, early in the school year, Urban Collaborative was requested to conduct a program review by Spokane Public Schools and Special Education Department. And from that, they have made recommendations for our Special Education Department to review. One of those recommendations is for us as a department to look at commercial IEPs and evaluation systems, application tools that are commercially available. We are now at that process of being able to look at those. An email was sent out for inquiry and information of individuals who are available, interested, and can commit to this process of reviewing and then selecting an IEP evaluation system. Well over 30 individuals have indicated interest, and they're a cross-representation of our compendium of services, both in certificated teaching along with related services. And it's at each of our levels, primary, intermediate, and secondary. So it's a great representation of our system. From there, our first meeting is this week, and so we will then confirm the commitment of those individuals, and a list will be sent out to the field so that you as professionals in the system have the ability to then make contact with those individuals in terms of input, information, and feedback to the process. Because what we're looking at is you may have had experiences of other systems, and so to then get your feedback and information along the process. In addition, if you wish to be a part of the feedback process, please email Carmen Mercer, who will be facilitating this process, and she can then place you on the email communication system that will invite you for further feedback, input, questions, concerns that you may have. We are very excited to see this process moving forward and look forward to gathering information and providing then that information out to the field as we are being very transparent in everything that we're looking at, because we too are interested in what will help fulfill all of our needs across our system, which are great and varied. In addition to the Special Education Department being able to communicate with the state and OSPI Special Education regarding other types of data and system information that they require also as part of our program and services. If you have further questions or inquiries, please contact your special education administrator and they will be able to respond to you. Thank you for your time.